Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
In Sales Cloud, primarily there is two things. One is a Sales Cloud and two flavors here. These two classics. This is a classic Salesforce. It's called classic version. And it has another switch to Lightning experience. Inside in Sales Cloud, the notation Sales Cloud. If I go here, if you notice here on top corner, there is a setup. On top corner, there is a gear. It's called gear icon and gear icon. If you go inside it, there is an object manager. Like we have used data extension. Like we have created student or customer. Different table we have created. That is nothing but object. Similarly, in Sales Cloud, it has facilities for two kinds of objects. One is a standard object and one is a custom object. One is a standard object and custom object. If you go inside it, you go inside it. There is an object like this is the account. Majority time we use the account object. Account is a very frequently used standard object. This standard object, what is a standard object? Click here. It will be notice here it contains many fields. It contains multiple fields here. Yes, account name, number and all. It contains lots of fields here. It's a standard object. That standard means already whenever we have created a new account. Salesforce, they already provided these objects and it contains 40 fields also. Account name, number, owner. Multiple values are there. It is a standard object. There is another popular object like lead. For business, the lead is important. You can find out the lead. This is a standard object, lead object. Click here. These are the standard objects. All fields as if you click any field. This is the field. It is a particular field. It is a data type text. Like in data extension, we create a field, text field or other form field or email field. All fields are here. There are lots of standard objects are there. Again, there is some object we can create by our own object. We can create that is called custom object. We go here side, we can create custom object. Custom object means we can create our own object. Like here, we are creating our own custom object here like student. Give the value. Object name student. You can see. Just click on next. This is a custom object. We are creating our object for our own object. It is a we have created an object. This is a student object we have created. This is the object like data extension we have created. Similarly, object. You need to click here. This is an object. Here you can create fields. By default, you can create new fields.